Welcome to Best Choice. The Best at Home Tattoo Kit is probably one of the most exciting and potentially life-changing purchases a budding artist or someone looking to express themselves permanently can make, offering a blend of creative freedom and personal expression right in the comfort of their own space. But with such a personal and permanent art form, choosing the right kit is paramount to ensuring a safe, successful, and satisfying tattooing experience that you'll be happy with for years to come. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This volcanic stone roller instantly absorbs excess oil, leaving your skin looking beautifully matte. Achieve a shine-free complexion with just a few simple rolls. Keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless. This tool gently removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Touch up anytime, anywhere for a perfect finish. Whether you're at home or out and about, achieving a matte look is effortless. Its compact design makes it the perfect companion for quick touch-ups wherever you are. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. Made from real volcanic stone, this roller is reusable and washable, offering a sustainable way to control shine. It's the secret to quick and effective oil absorption. Need a refresh? Swapping out the roller balls is quick and easy with our refill packs. You can conveniently replace the stone without needing to buy a whole new device. Enjoy a mini facial massage while controlling oil. The smooth volcanic stone glides over your skin, providing a soothing experience. It's a simple way to refresh your complexion. What we like. This tool is perfect for quick touch-ups on the go. If you want to maintain a shine-free complexion without disturbing your makeup, this is your best bet. It's a sustainable alternative to blotting papers. What people say. This roller does remove oil and makes my skin look nicely matte, especially on my T-zone, so it works for its main purpose. As someone with oily skin, the Revlon face roller is a must-have. It's incredibly effective and better than blotting papers. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. This is hands down the best beauty device I've ever owned. My skin is super oily. What makes it so difficult is having to wear sunscreen. The moisturizing ones make my face greasy within 2 hours. The matte oil-absorbing ones cause foundation to go on patchy, add textured looking. And if I have a mask on and take it off, patches of smeared and melted sunscreen plus foundation are all over my nose and mouth area. That is one of the things I'm loving about this volcanic roller. You can use it without having to touch oil blotting papers or your face. Just take the cap off and roll this all over your face. You don't need a mirror, just roll it all over your entire face. What this does is it removes the oil while at the same time pushing the makeup back into your skin. It rolls out the patchy areas. I have never found a product that can actually fix or touch up ruined makeup before. I always had to take it off and reapply. This roller changes that completely. Number 4. Phomemo M08F Tattoo Printer. Introducing the Phomemo M08F, a revolutionary tattoo stencil printer designed for both professionals and beginners. It's lightweight, wireless, and significantly smaller than traditional machines, offering ultimate portability. Connect effortlessly to your phone, tablet, or PC. It supports multiple operating systems, making design and printing incredibly convenient, no matter where you are. Our dedicated app simplifies your workflow with one-click printing and a unique scanning function for tattoo designs. Print instantly without the need for white paper copies. Experience clear and precise prints with advanced thermal technology. Say goodbye to ink-related issues and focus on creating amazing tattoos. Unleash your creativity with our app's AI tools. Generate stunning tattoo designs in various styles instantly, making your artistic process more dynamic. The built-in rechargeable battery provides power for numerous printing sessions on a single charge. It also comes with 10 sheets of transfer paper to get you started right away. What we like. For those who value flexibility and cutting-edge technology, this printer is ideal. If you're a tattoo artist or beginner looking for a convenient way to transfer designs from various devices, including your phone, this offers unparalleled ease of use. What people say. The app is simple to navigate and we had no connection issues, a full charge lasted weeks with occasional use. It's small and portable, so easy to take on the go. It's a tough little printer that doesn't make much if any noise at all. The stencils came out beautifully. Even lighter, more finer lines showed up on the transfer. Great beginner tattoo stencil printer. Paper needs to be loaded just right, otherwise it wrinkles and doesn't print well. If I had to buy another printer, I would upgrade. Not much fine detail for faces or hands, but fine for hobbyist or beginner artists. Good value for its money. Has good weight, is kinda loud, but I have nothing to compare it to. Yes, I'd say it is loud. Okay, battery life. Seems like a Inga could break if dropped. As a beginner tattoo enthusiast just starting to explore the art of tattooing, the Phomemo Tattoo Stencil Printer, M08F, has been an absolute game changer for me. I was honestly a bit intimidated by the idea of using a stencil printer, but this one is incredibly beginner-friendly and took a lot of the stress out of the setup process. The design is compact, sleek, and lightweight, which makes it perfect for my small workspace. I love the black and green color. It gives it a cool, professional vibe without being overly flashy. Right out of the box, it felt durable and well-made. It even came with 10 sheets of transfer paper, so I could start practicing right away, which was a huge plus. What impressed me the most was how easy it is to connect wirelessly. I paired it with my phone using the Phomemo app, and within minutes I was printing stencils of my own artwork. For someone like me who isn't super tech-savvy, the smooth connection and easy-to-follow instructions were a lifesaver. You can also use it with a tablet or PC, but I mostly use my phone and it works flawlessly. The quality of the stencils is surprisingly sharp. Even fine lines and detailed designs came out crisp and clean on the thermal paper. It's also super fast and quiet. I didn't expect it to be so efficient. The prints transfer beautifully to the skin, making it so much easier to focus on practicing my technique without worrying about blurry or smudged outlines. As a beginner, I really appreciate the value this printer offers. It's affordable compared to the bigger, industrial models, but still gives you professional quality results. I feel like it's helping me build confidence and grow my skills without the frustration that can come from using low-quality tools. It has a very good battery life. I haven't had to charge it. Arrived. Number 3. CleanSkin Cleansing Green Soap Tattoo Wipes. Introducing CleanSkin Cleansing Green Soap Tattoo Wipes, your all-in-one solution for a seamless tattooing experience. These wipes are designed for use during the tattooing process. Our specially formulated green soap wipes provide gentle yet effective cleaning. They help maintain a clean canvas throughout your tattoo session. Use them during your tattoo session to easily wipe away excess ink and stencil residue. They ensure a clear view for precise work. Beyond the session, these wipes are also crucial for tattoo aftercare. They help keep the freshly tattooed area clean and protected. Trust CleanSkin to be your reliable partner for all your tattooing needs. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of our green soap wipes. What we like. This product simplifies the tattooing process significantly. If you're looking for an efficient way to keep the skin clean and prepped during tattooing and for aftercare, these wipes are a must-have for a smooth experience. What people say. The CleanSkin green soap wipes are gentle but effective, no harsh smell, no irritation, and they clean thoroughly without drying out the skin. The Phoenix Tears Balm is thick but spreads easily, absorbs well, and keeps skin comfortable without feeling greasy. A little goes a long way. These wipes work amazingly. They wipe away the ink with such ease. I was really amazed with how well they work. It made doing a tattoo so much easier. Number 2. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Pen Kit. Looking for a professional tattoo machine kit? This set is perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. It features a versatile machine and high-quality needles, making it a top choice for professionals. Experience powerful and stable performance with its custom cordless motor. This machine offers low noise and vibration, ensuring a smooth and comfortable tattooing experience. Enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The intuitive LCD screen displays voltage and timer, allowing for precise control over your work. These cartridges are crafted for durability and optimal performance. Featuring a safety membrane, they prevent ink leakage and ensure a consistent, sharp tattoo every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, from the wireless pen machine and cartridges to practice ink and supplies. The included tattoo pigments are specially formulated for practice on artificial skin. Please note, they are not recommended for use directly on human skin. What we like. This kit is designed for serious artists who demand reliability and quality. If you need a powerful, stable machine that can handle long sessions with minimal noise and vibration, this wireless pen offers exceptional control and endurance. What people say. The kit includes a variety of needle sizes and ink colors, allowing for detailed work. The machine is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for beginners. The instructions are clear and concise, guiding users through the setup and usage process. Number 1. Ambition Mars U Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. Introducing the Ambition Mars U, a revolutionary wireless tattoo machine designed for the modern artist. Experience unparalleled freedom and precision in your work. Customize your technique with its adjustable stroke feature, allowing for intricate detailing and bold lines with ease. Take full control of your creative expression. Equipped with a powerful 1800 mAh battery, this device ensures extended tattooing sessions without interruption. Focus on your art, not on recharging. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, from 40 high-quality cartridges to essential accessories like gloves and practice skin. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring artist, this tool provides the reliability and performance you demand. Elevate your craft with this advanced equipment. Cut the cords and embrace true mobility. Its wireless design offers unrestricted movement, making your tattooing process more comfortable and efficient. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those just starting their tattooing journey. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to practice, including a generous amount of cartridges and practice materials, this machine provides great value. What people say. Very durable, amazing quality, and battery life is amazing. Lighter than my old one. I like that it's adjustable. It's phenomenal for line work, shading, packing, you name it. Super balanced, and the batteries last for super long sessions. Also works with many different brand tattoo needle carts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.